In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 4 neon options infographic slide in PowerPoint, and this is how the slide works. When I click, you can see here I have created this abstract shape, then I have given kind of a glow effect here, and in the middle you can add the title, and if you want you can add some detailed text. With the click of a second option comes, you can see here I've given this kind of a yellow or gold color combination, then comes the pink, the third color, and then the fourth color. So depending on your requirement you can increase or decrease these options. And if you have not subscribed to my channel PowerPoint University, please subscribe it now and make sure to enable the bell notification icon. You can join my Telegram group with the help of this link, and if you like to contribute to my channel, you can do it through PayPal or Patreon. The link is provided in the video description section. I have used Office 2019 version to do this. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide and change the background to black color. For that, right mouse click, go to Format Background, and I'm going to choose the black color here. Then go to View, enable the guides, go to Insert, Shapes. From the basic shapes, I'm going to choose the oval shape. Draw the oval shape by holding the shift key, maybe this much size. Shape outline, make it no outline. And align center, align middle. Then I'm going to duplicate this 2 times, press Ctrl D to duplicate, and one more time, and this is for the later use. I'm going to use that one. And then if you want, you can give some different color combination here. Alright, maybe some color I'll give purple. Later on we can change it. Now I'm going to design some some kind of abstract shape. For that, go to Insert, Shapes. From the lines, I'm going to choose this one, which is the curve. So start, just click it. You can see here I'm just clicking anywhere, any shape as you like, no restrictions here. And then you need to join this one. Alright, so I need to just join this so it looks like this, and click it. Shape outline, make it no outline, and send this to back. Now this color, the color in the center, I'm going to change again to black. Alright, and this color I'm going to give some different color combination, maybe a pink. And go to the effects, under the soft edges, increase the size. You can see here it should look like this. And then if you want to change the color, the size, right mouse click, edit point, and you can increase or decrease depending on your requirement. You can see here you can just play with this. Alright, again if you want further, you can again further increase the soft edges. Alright, and then this particular shape I'm going to fill this with white. Alright, and then I can give some soft edges to this as well, or I can go to the glow and give the glow effect, which is white. Alright, again if you want, increase the size, and then I'm going to reduce the size a little bit here. Alright, and then I'm going to just send this to back and put it like this. Okay, so this is white, and again for this maybe I'm going to give a purple color. Okay, any color combination you can choose, and then this one, increase the soft edges and increase the size a little bit. The more soft edges, it looks like this. Okay, and then you have to increase the size, and then select this one and send this to back, so it looks up kind of a purple and the pink color combination. All right, so now I'm going to select these shapes and move it towards the left. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate this by holding the Ctrl Shift key together. So this is my second shape, hold the Ctrl Shift key, this is the third, and this is the fourth shape. Now it's very easy. Now I can select this object, edit point, and the way I want, maybe I want this one to go up further. You can see here I'm just changing the color, the size of this one, as well as the color to say maybe a green color. All right, and for this purple color, you can give some dark teal color, whichever color which matches with this one. Okay, and for this one again, edit points, maybe I want this towards more on the left side and more like this. You can see here you can just change it, and this color I can give maybe a yellow color or the gold color, and this one I'm going to give some kind of orange color here. All right, so you can see here. And for this, again, right mouse click, edit point. Let's move this towards of the top right. All right, and then I can make like this, and this color I can give maybe a blue color. Let's try blue. Yeah, and this one I can give some dark blue color combination, whatever you feel better. So you can see here our design is ready. Go to insert, text box, and I'm going to type title. Here it is not visible, we have to change this to white. All right, center aligned, put it here. If you want, make it bold, hold the Control Shift key, just drag it to the other options. And if you want, you can add some the titles at the or the detailed text at the bottom.